report back to ITS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Lineham and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poltan and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride. Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate green light sequence on deck 3 for Pucara. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
Hey, cover together. You're gonna follow behind, alright? Alright, yellow, you're gonna go in front and then follow by silver. Alright, recruits, make sure to hang on to those cameras. Keep those face coverings on at all times.
Transport is away.
Alright, put that recruit.
Yes. Check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, Lineham. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are on. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark. About the
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make a jump. They're all over us!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake up, Blue!
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw them away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Our hands are front to make this a fair fight! Don't worry, I'll come back for you! Stay strong!
Is there anything we can do, Lineham? No, the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. Full reverse. Any other ideas? Then wipe the navicomputer. I don't want them finding anything.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance spies, your ship has been captured and is now under the control of the First Order. You are to disembark this ship and prepare yourselves for interrogation. Disembark means get out.
Go get a single file, Jamie. Look out, we'll throw you off the ship.
What a wonderful ride you've gone on. Into a cell. How safe. If you're going to be useless with me, you're going to be just as useless with them. I promise.
Oh, I don't want them.
No, I don't either. That's the same way.
And I won't come put you into this cell, heated by those fellows who are standing on to find the cover inside the cell, and remain on it for the duration of the interrogation. Are there any questions? No good, because I don't care anyway. Something funny? Did you just giggle? I heard someone giggle. I would offer you a chance to escape. Did this one just giggle? No. Do you know them?
Nope.
No? You might be more honest. I'll give you a chance to escape. Did you giggle?
I don't remember.
Alright, I guess none of you are escaping then. You are about to anyway, let's be honest.
Yeah.
What are those antennas on your head?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I was born with them.
You were born with them. With those antennas. And the bow as well?
Yes.
You were born with a bow.
I was.
That's very odd. I've never seen anything
Now,
like
just a moment, the cell will open and your interrogations will begin. I will call you inside based on the colors you're standing on, so take a moment to look down at your feet. There's sanitizing your use. I want information, not resistance germs. Any questions? Good.
You're telling secrets?
You know what they're trying to do?
You're telling secrets? We're talking about it.
They blow up planets.
This ship is awesome.
I hope it's not over.
Never leaving.
I think it is programmed to blow up planets with desserts and ice cream.
Blue, get in the cell.
Maybe that was not one of his words. You will send
Red,
guys
follow them.
favorite ever.
Silver.
What about these three tiny spots? Whether you remember where you're going on that mission?
Oh, go on.
Okay, everybody. Just hold on. Not letting things go. And then we'll turn it.
of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
With the resistance, we're here to rescue you. Like, blue and red fall, like silver, like you feel blue. Blue and red fall, automatic fall, sword up the floor, your feet, guys on the floor, your feet, seatbelts down, left to right, right to the back. Silver on the front. Orange to the back.
Wait, you still
Guys
here?
on the floor, your feet, seatbelts down, left to
Get to the
right.
escape pods now.
Seatbelts
Lieutenant
to the
Beck,
right, back on the
We need to find a way.
Recontos, para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift. Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention will breach. Prisoners one seen on that team.
There they are! Fire!
Take cover, recruits.
These escape pods just follow us! Take the list down! Move for me! Hurry! No, not up! I said down!
Requesting heavy weapons authorization.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction.
Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm. All personnel to their stations.
Stop, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run! There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now.
I think I have that authority.
Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Scaffold's top beacon.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.